Again, it's Katrine again. Okay, so we have created a new recipe by entering our ingredients, adding the container parts, and also pricing out the recipe in our previous tutorials. Now I would like to show you, if you have saved a recipe previously, how to call it back into the system. So you have here, select an existing recipe. You do have the option to just use the automated filling in section here and searching for the recipe. But you also, if you don't know the name and you have a ton of recipes, you might as well use the hamburger. And I'm not even sure why it's called hamburger. It's a terrible name if you're a health nut freak, but that is what it's called in the software world, I guess. So let's say you remember, oh, the name had something like calm in it. And we did create a blend, but we don't remember fully the name of the blend. So if you if you type in calm and then search for anything which has calm in it, you will see I've got 5 recipes here right now, and I have the option to look at the recipe ingredients already right here. So I know we created the rollerball 10 milliliter Calm Me Down previously, so I can check quickly, what were the ingredients? Almond oils, lavender, Roman chamomile, and lemon. And I can do the same here for the other ones. So in this case, you can go and call the recipe back up and look at it, and look also at the price and your notes and everything else. And then you can decide, is actually, you know what, I do not want to have 4 drops of lemon, so I'm going to put 2 drops of lemon, but I'm going to increase my lavender drops. And you can do that. The price will change slightly because you exchanged a few drops. It's not 19.25. No, oh, sorry, I said 9 here. It's not 19.25, it's 19.40 now. So you could give it a different name, or you could also just click save here. And that is being updated, the recipe. So that is the part where you have previously had a recipe already saved and you would want to make some changes to it. So that's completely possible, and that's what you just saw. And I will see you in another tutorial. Bye.